Ngicela 500.
No manje.
Not even one. I haven't got really. Even 50. I don't borrow the money.
Mina belungu. Ninemali. Mhlawumbe unamabhizinisi, mhlawumbe
I had to go.
neplazi neqiwe.
I'm a retired person, you know. I've got health issues, so then I haven't worked since 2010.
Uthi akasasebenzi manje usabhizi nezempilo zakhe sekuphela iminyaka eyi15
Mana ke mlungu.
engasebenzi.
Uthande nge
I know Mlungu, so that I know. But
mana ngithetha nginike ingane yakhe ingane yakhe. Uzumzala na ingane.
Umntebhosha is saying you must give him your child.
no children.
He wants to marry your child.
My wife is when she left me.
Uthini?
Uthi umkakhe wamlahla kasekho ule Cape Town.
That's why I've got no money. I've got nothing.
Ngithetha ubhuti wakhe ingane yakhe ubhuti wakhe.
He's
my
saying your
house.
brother.
No brother, and my father's dead, my mother's dead. I'm alone. Peride, only me. Kuphoqe. No, but I'm happy to see you, and I hope that the God blesses you because you are deserving. You are a good man, I can see.
Uthi ujabula ukubona wena futhi uNkulunkulu uzokubusisa.
Amen.
Thank you. It's a blessing for me.
Kuyisibusiso kuyena.
For me.
Kuyisibusiso kuyena ukubona wena.
Ngithi mina inkosi igcine ikubusise uphile iminyaka ngeminyaka ngitshela.
I don't know what it means, but it sounded good.
Blesses you too.
He's saying
Thank you.
God blesses you too.
Thank you.
You live forever. Yes and yes.
Okay, this is good.
Thank
Because
you,
I'm
thank
feeling
you.
old now.
Thank you. Uthi uyakujabulela lokho akuzwayo ngoba
I
usemdala
spent the
manje.
weekend in jail there. in
Uqede
Diepsloot.
i-weekend yonke esejele eDeep
Hawu.
Sloot.
Yeah. This weekend.
Uboshiwe.
Yeah.
Sorry mngani wami yazi.
Yeah, it's okay. What can you do? It's the country. I was speeding in not even my car. My car is broken.
Uthini?
Uthi behamba
So I borrowed the car.
ngejubane elikhulu waboshela lokho hayi ngisho nangemoto yakhe ifika.
And then I borrowed the car even to come here because my car is fucked. Sorry.
Uthi
Sorry, bad
uboleke
language.
imoto wakona ukuthi uzefike la uboleke imoto.
So all of us, we're not in a good place today. Are you supporting your brother here?
Uthi uzokweseka umngani wakho.
Ungizwe umacingwane Akhulu.
Well, I hope it goes well for him too.
Uthi umfisela inhlanhla ngathi ngahamba kahle namhlanje.
Uzodlula la. So kuzophela icala leli.
He's saying today it's a final day. It's a judgment day today.
Judgment or finished?
Yeah.
Peride, done.
Phelile. Uyakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu kancane. Uyakwazi ukukhuluma kancane
No,
isiZulu.
you know, when I was a young one, I was in Zimbabwe. So then I learned a little bit of Zulu, but not much.
Uthi ngesikhathi semncane wayehlala eZimbabwe wakhona ukufunda kancane isiZulu.
Yeah. But otherwise, no. Sorry, my language is bad. I poor English.
Uthi kodwa ke isiZulu sakhe asikho kahle hle.
Strong.
Yena ukukhuluma isingisi.
All right, guys, I have to get the car back. But
Uthi hayi useyahamba njengamanje kufanele ethathe imoto.
I hope.
Good luck.
You see, at the end, you speak English. Wait, you are a cheeky one. But you're a big man. And God is blessing you.